without wasting one more minute, let's call the Abhinav and let's talk with him. Hello, Abhinav.
Hi, sir.
Abhinav, it was nice to talk to you again after a long time.
Thank you so much, sir, for calling me.
Right. Thank you so much. Abhinav, can you introduce yourself quickly?
Yes, sir. So, sir, I am from Delhi, and I have done my BTech from Delhi itself, from US ICT, and I got around 8.9 CGPA in my BTech. And after that, I gave the GATE exam and I pursued my MTech. I'm currently pursuing my master's from IIT Bombay in the computer science department. With a current CGPA of around 9.7. I am placed in one of the big MNCs as a ML engineer.
Okay. Congratulations. So, what is the package?
Yes, sir. So it's around. Sorry, sir.
When you started the GATE preparation, exactly when you started, second year or third year, which month? Please let me know.
Yes, sir. So it was in the third year itself. So it was during the final exams of my fifth semester. I was preparing for TOC and COA from YouTube, and then that is the moment when I started my GATE preparation, and I joined a coaching institute in January, and officially I started my preparation from January in the third year.
Third year, fifth sem means I think third year, first sem.
Fifth sem ending, so it was nearly sixth semester.
Okay. So I think sixth semester entrance, you started the preparation.
Right, sir.
Exactly how many months your total preparation?
So it was nearly 12 months, 12 to 12.5 months.
Yeah, I still remembered. You joined almost like 1 year before.
Right, sir.
So that is one of the reason why you got AIR-1, because you have very nice planning.
Right, sir.
Right. So that time DA paper is not there, only GATE CSE there.
Yes, DA was introduced last year, I guess.
Otherwise, you could have written that also. You could have get AIR-1 there also. My name is Subbarao Lingamgunta. My students used to call me Reddy sir. I'm an IIT Bombay alumni from the computer science department. From the last 15 years, I guided more than 25 lakh CSE students. I'm the co-founder of Exam Prep Tool, which is the famous coaching institute for computer science exams like GATE CSE, GATE DA, Advanced DSA course for placement training, software development courses like web development course and app development course, PSU exams like DRDO, ISRO, NIC, BARC, and so on. If you are preparing for any competitive exam of computer science, just go to exampreptool.com, right? Just go to exampreptool.com. So on the home page you will see courses, course categories. I think you can, if you are preparing for GATE CSE, you can take the GATE CSE admissions, GATE DA also, and software development course also, like web development, app development course. And if you are preparing for placement course also available, right? Advanced placement course, basic placement course, right? Next one is the revision courses also there, test series also there. If you are preparing for ISRO, DRDO, any exam of computer science, right, you will find out. I will guide you A to Z, right? In which month what subject should be done, right? When it should be completed, when you have to do test series, all the things are available. Rank improvement course, everything is available. Let's go for GATE CSE. Suppose you want to go for GATE CSE, go there. In the GATE CSE, you will find out. See, GATE CSE 2025 purpose full course, right? This is the 1 year course. GATE CSE 2026 purpose full course, right? It is the 2026 purpose 2 years course. Next one, GATE CSE and DSA, both you can manage. GATE CSE also, GATE DSA also, right? GATE CSE, DSA both, so that you can do placements. Placements also you can easily handle, right? GATE CSE and DSA course. This is for 2025. It is a 2026, so that you no need to lose placements. GATE also you can do, and DSA also, both combinedly, right? Next one is only DSA course, right? Suppose you are preparing for only placements, you can go for only placement course, right? So it is going to be advanced DSA course. Now you can go for GATE CSE, GATE DA, and DSA. So I think you will get the ultimate advantage here, right? Because 3 things you are trying, right? If you keep more efforts, you will be successful within less time. right? GATE CSE, GATE DA, and DSA course, right? So this is the for 2026, it is the 2025 people. Next one, advanced GATE exam, right? Advanced GATE exam or PSU exam mentorship program. If you want only mentorship program, you can come here, right? This is the 1 year course, mentorship only. Next one, mentorship course for at 6 months. Next one, you can go for, right? Some people are writing triple IT Hyderabad exam. For that also, we have crash course. So all the things are there. All the things. GATE CSC, right? Next one, GATE DA also. All possibilities are there. Software development also. Placement courses also. What I need to say is, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, my suggestion is, right? So just visit the exampreptool.com. If you think any course is suitable to you, you can go ahead. I will guide you every day. I have a month-wise plan to you. I have a week-wise plan to you because I guided approximately 25 lakh students from the last 15 years. From the last 15 years, I guided more than 25 lakh students. I know what are the shortcuts possible. I know what mistakes you will do. I know, right, what is the correct path for that. Everything I will take care, right? So next one, suppose assume that one of the course. Suppose assume that one of the course you selected. Suppose in the one of the course you selected, say this, view details, you will find out all, the details, right? So all the right course curriculum will be there. Next one is instructors are there. Next one is lecture list also there, right? Suppose assume that I clicked one of that, right? Digital logic design. So these are all the classes. These are all the classes are there. Digital logic design, right? Database management system. These all are there. So what I want to say is everything available. What
Right.
is the sequence of subjects which you followed, which you recommend through experience? What you got?
Right, sir. Sir, so there is not exact sequence in which you have to prepare all the subjects. Like you don't have a sequence of all the 13 subjects in the GATE CSE exam. So there are some subjects where you have to follow a sequence. For example, you have to first complete algorithms before completing data structures, and you have to first complete DBMS or OS before completing. You have to first complete OS before completing DBMS. So that helps in the further later subject. And you have to first complete DLD before completing COA because there are a lot of concepts from DLD that are being used in COA. So the sequence which I followed was that I started with TOC and COA, as I said, because I had my semester exams, my fifth semester exams. And then after that, I completed my DLD. So this was one of the mistakes I can say because for COA, for my semester exams, I have to study DLD separately because there were the concept of multiplexers, the concept of decoders there that was being used. So if I had completed DLD before, so that could have helped me more in the COA subject. So that was the third subject I completed, the DLD subject. And after that, I started with computer networks and DBMS. So those two subjects I was doing simultaneously. And in the February, I remember then when you started teaching algorithms, so it was live lectures. It was around 8th of February. I started with algorithms and I did algorithms. And when I completed algorithms, after that, you started the data structure. So this was the rough sequence of subjects which I was following.
Okay, so Algo DS, you see, you recommend Algo first, then DS next.
Yes, sir.
Next one,
And
TOC CD, you will say TOC first, next CD.
right, right.
You because of you have around 80 percentage, 90 percentage, you got the AIR-1, right?
Mm.
Do you think someone who is having 60 percentage BTech or 70 percentage BTech or 75 or 65, do you think can they crack GATE exam?
Yes, I mean, the VTech percentage does not matter in the GATE exam. So I have a lot of friends in IIT itself who have a low percentage in VTech, but they got a really nice plan. They got in top 30 in the GATE exam. So I would say even if you have a low percentage, just try to increase that. Of course, you have to try to increase that, but don't get demotivated by the low percentage.
They're nothing to do with the right BTech percentage.
No, no, sir. It is nothing to do because if you prepare one year hard, if you work hard for 1 year, then the previous 2 years that what you have done the previous 2 years does not matter.
Yeah. So can you say, by your experience, please let me know, right? Which subjects you felt easy in the gate preparation, which you said tough, which you thought tough, which are medium? Can you say something about your experience?
Yes, sir. So I would say the easiest subject of all was I could say DLD. So it is a very short subject and it is comparatively very easy. And apart from that, I would say operating systems is comparatively easy. So it is like if you complete all the concepts from operating systems, then it will be almost guaranteed that you will score the marks in the GATE exam. And the toughest I would say was discrete mathematics because there are a lot of concepts, lot of algorithms that you have to remember. And
What
even
about,
even
what
after
about CN? What about CN?
CN is a very vast subject, yes. So you have to study thoroughly for at least 1 month.
COA?
COA, yeah. So it, for me, I felt it was comparatively easy, but I have seen a lot of my friends who say that COA was difficult for them.
So you, in your opinion, discrete mathematics is tough. Next
Yes,
one, CN is tough.
yes, CN is tough, and I could also say that DVMS is also somewhere tough because
Yeah,
there
that is
can be
also,
tricky questions.
yeah. DBMS stuff. Next one is mathematics aptitude is, I think, normal.
Yes, mathematics
Next
aptitude.
one, TOC.
POC, you have to give time. It is not very tough, so you have to give time in practicing those DFA, NFA, how to draw DFA, how to draw NFA. And if you give enough time, then it will be easy. If you are not practicing enough, then of course it will be very difficult for you.
What about Algo DS? They're
Yeah,
easy.
I'll go DS. I mean, you were teaching, so it got easy for us. So I have seen very difficult questions from algorithms lately, and since I studied it from you, so it was easy for me to solve those questions. But yeah, I mean, those two subjects can be tricky somewhere.
What are your favorite subjects?
So my favorite subjects are COA and operating systems. So these two are somewhat interconnected. So COA is more about how hardware works, and OS is all about how softwares interact with each other. So they make a complete sense of how the programs are working. So that is why both these subjects are my favorite ones.
So yeah, hello everyone. I want to say one more good news to everyone. Right, Abhinav is teaching in the EPT. Right, COA and the operating system is favorite subjects. Right, if you listen his lecture COA and OS, right, from Abhinav, you will get the full score. You will get the full score. Thank you so much, Abhinav, for sharing right, your knowledge to all the students, all your juniors. I have felt so happy.
Thank
Many, many good feedback I am getting from most of the students after listening your lecture. When you started the test series,
Yes, sir. So test series, so PYQs I was solving side by side with the topics that were covered in class. So test series, subject-wise test, I started in around, I would say, October or September mid, I could say. And full length test I started in December. So I remember on December 1st, I gave my first full length test
okay.
and I gave around 25 to 30 total full length tests. So that helped me a lot with time management also.
So when you completed the total syllabus, Abhinav,
Yeah, so I completed around August ending or September starting.
perfect. That is the
Yeah, because
best planning ever done. Right, I know total your journey. Right, I am there from the almost like from February, January onwards. I am there with you. So
yes, sir.
total your story of 1 year, I know how much nice planning you done. You got the job also in between. You are right, you are doing job also in the 4th year. I don't know how you manage it, but you are extremely talented, extremely hardworking,
Yes,
right, extremely smart person I ever seen. Otherwise, in 1 year, how many things you done? Syllabus you done in the August ending only, right?
so yeah,
If anyone get, very good rank through experience, I'm saying to you, right? If anyone get nice rank, they should have this quality of completing syllabus August ending or before.
Yes, sir. So that is why we recommend, to complete the syllabus as soon as possible, because there might be other circumstances that arise. So if you complete the syllabus as soon as possible, there will be many benefits. So you can also do an internship. You can also work on your weak points. You can give a lot of tests. So that is why starting early and finishing early gives a lot of advantage over others.
You asked me also, I still remember, sir, should I prepare for GATE exam or campus placements?
Yes, sir. It was in September only.
Yeah, so I don't know what I have to do because nothing is sure in the life, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
can say blindly go to GATE exam.
Right, right.
What if you don't get? But I am sure you will go to IIT, but I don't want to risk with your life. I
Yes,
said
sir.
you can manage both, go and manage.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right afterwards, once again, one more stone you thrown on me, sir. I got job. I have to join job. So what should I do? GATE. Again, I said you manage somehow. Right, you manage it so well you manage it. You completed the GATE preparation August ending or before, and afterwards you started practicing all the questions and all. You made beautiful life. So those people who are watching this particular video, I want to suggest everyone, if you want to get very good rank, whether you are second year, third year, or fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, doesn't matter. The only criteria is complete syllabus August ending or before. Remaining months, do practice. If you do that, you will get the nice rank. This is the only criteria to get the rank. You are going to the job, it is your problem. It is not the people who are organizing the GATE. That is not their issue. It is your issue. You are going to college, that is your issue. So the only criteria, through experience of almost like 15 years, I want to say one formula to crack GATE examination. Right? August ending or before complete syllabus.
Okay.
Remaining months, do practice. Otherwise, 13 subjects, Abhinav, how can you practice in 1 month?
Right, right, right.
Some people will say that I completed the syllabus in the December ending. Only January you want to practice. How it is possible, man? 13 subjects, even Modi ji also cannot crack. Right? The great Prime Minister of India, people used to say that, is a more hardworking person, is a very smart person. Still, he cannot crack GATE exam if he complete the syllabus December ending. Only January month, 13 subjects. Who can? I cannot.
Yes, sir.
Trust me, I cannot. Even Abhinav also cannot.
Yes, sir.
If at all Abhinav completed the GATE syllabus in the December ending, only January, if you practice Abhinav, you may not qualify GATE exam also.
Yes,
The
sir.
same first ranker may not qualify for GATE examination because of lack of planning. So my suggestion to everyone, please follow this. So many YouTube people will trap you how to crack the GATE exam in 3 months, 4 months, 1 month, like that. There is nothing like that, because here 13 subjects are there.
Right, sir.
The best formula is this only. This is the only formula to get the nice rank in the GATE exam. Through experience, I am saying, I am giving proof also. The same person, if at all planning is not there, I may not call him also. He got rank 1 because he is having some great qualities, great planning. Some students are saying, sir, I am so talented. Can't I crack the GATE exam in 3 months? You may be so talented. You married today, you have to wait 1 year to get the kid. Sir, I am so talented, sir. I can produce the kid in 1 day. No way, man. No way. There is a procedure of 13 subjects. Abhinav, only one subject you can do something.
Yes, sir.
2 subjects you can, 13 subjects. 12 months, you have a nice plan, then only it is possible.
Yes, sir.
I've seen so many talented people, right? In the total India, so many smart people of CSE I've seen. Because of lack of planning, he is a very smart. Lack of planning, he disqualified. Lack of planning, he got 5,000 rank. Right? Some people I seen, they're okay because of planning. They went in the first attempt only to IIT.
Yes,
They
sir.
got first attempt only. See, your first attempt.
Yes,
First
sir.
attempt only how to get AIR-1 year. Some people have, 4 times they tried. They are not qualified.
Yes, sir.
3 times they tried. Sometimes 2,000 rank, sometimes 1,000 rank, sometimes 5,000 rank, sometimes maybe 800 rank. Lack of planning.
Yes, sir.
right? You may be thankful to God also, because sometimes not only working, right? God also should bless us a little bit.
Yes, yes, yes.
But you planned so well. I am so proud of you, right? This is the one more example to say to everyone, please have a nice plan. I think again, I am reiterating, if you complete the syllabus August ending or before, remaining time, if you do practice, you have the more chances of getting the nice rank. Abhinav, I want to ask one more question. Many students are asking, to prepare the GATE examination, to get the nice rank, right? Books required, standard books we have to refer or not? If at all, if you say yes or no, right? Please explain that little bit.
Yes, sir. So standard books, even if you want to refer the standard books. So if I talk about, let's say, any standard book of operating system, so it is around 1,000 pages, and you cannot read 1,000 pages for 13 subjects in 1 year, right? So that will be very difficult for you to complete the syllabus, and when you will practice, and when you will do your test series, and when you will revise. So it will be very difficult for you if you follow the textbooks. So that is why following a instructor or following a teacher will help you to complete the syllabus on time, and also he will help you to solve your doubts. So that even if you read the textbook, sometimes there may be doubts where you cannot solve the doubts if you don't have any mentor or if you don't have any instructor. So following textbooks, if you have 2 3 years, so then you may go for textbooks. But if you have 1 year or 1.5 years, then following textbooks might not be beneficial.
So from your understanding, I got one new point. Whether if you read books also, you will get doubt.
Yes, yes, sir.
If you listen teacher lecture also, you will get doubt. At the end of the day, anything will give the doubt.
Right, right, sir.
Right? So if you follow the lecture, one or two doubts are there, maybe that time you can refer the notes. So you can refer the textbook. Worst case, you can refer the textbook, one paragraph.
One paragraph or one page, only for that particular topic.
Because the teacher also will say from which book he studied.
Right, right, sir.
He will also say that I studied from this book. I am teaching everything what is needed. If at all any doubts are there, you can refer this book. Only doubt area.
Right, right, sir.
Right? I also, whenever I am teaching any subject, suppose algorithm I am teaching, right? I will teach algorithm and I will say I am teaching from core man.
Right, right.
Right? So this book also I will give. I will ask them, if anyone having any doubt, first ask in the class itself doubt. Suppose the doubt is not clarified, in our Telegram group you can ask.
Right, sir.
Still, if you have doubt, right, maybe you can refer the book, right? Maybe one paragraph or one page or 2 pages, whichever is necessary.
Yes,
If you keep on reading the books for 13 subjects, right, it never over.
yes, sir.
GATE exam is over. All are seeing the results and everyone is enjoying. Still, you are reading book.
Right, and also those textbooks are not written for from the GATE perspective. They will have all the concepts. So you don't know what concept to study and what you have to follow.
That is a problem. If you read the books, books are meant for some other purpose.
Yes, yes, sir.
We are teaching for GATE only.
Yes, sir.
Those books are for some other purpose. It may mislead you. It will waste your time. I'm not saying books reading is the bad idea. I'm saying to you, purpose is different.
Right, sir.
Yeah, your purpose is other than that. Your purpose is only learning subject. Then go for reading the book and I'll take your own way. If you want to crack GATE exam, or if you want to crack some placements, I think right, these classes are really useful to you. So final suggestion is doubt areas, refer the books.
Yes.
That is your suggestion, right?
Yes.
Of course, you are my shishya, right? Whatever I will say, mostly will say same thing. Because we also, right, we motivated you to do that.
Yes, yes.
Right? So it is your responsibility to motivate your juniors. Next one, Abhinav, one more thing. Yeah, many people are asking, can't I crack GATE exam without coaching?
Yes, sir.
Please, can you talk something on that?
Yes, sir. So without coaching, if you are preparing, so I guess there are two ways. Either you can go for the free resources, but the problem in free resources is that first of all, most of the times they are not completed. The entire subject is not completed, and even if the entire subject is completed, it is not as structured as it will be in the coaching institute. And the coaching institute will also give you the doubt clearing. That is very important. So if you complete the subject and if you have a lot of doubts, so you will make mistakes in the question as well.
Hmm.
But if you have someone who solves your doubt, that is offered by the coaching institute, so that helps a lot. So that is why I guess I recommend that if someone joins the coaching institute, so it will help him, it will help he or she to save 1 year.
Yeah. So we are not recommending any coaching and all, right? If you want to join, you can join. If you don't want to join, you don't no need to join. But everything having positive and negative,
Yes, yes, yes.
right? So, but in my opinion, Abhi, right, in this competitive world, studying your own, I think it is very difficult.
Right, sir.
See, all not taking coaching, then you also don't go coaching.
Right, sir.
Some people are taking coaching, you are not taking, it will guarantee affect your rank.
So it will be like digging a well. Someone has a tool and you don't have. You're digging with a hand. So it will
You
be
are
difficult.
doing by your hand, someone is using tool.
Right, sir.
You don't know how to follow. See, you may study when you don't take the classes, na? You may study unnecessary stuff.
Yes, sir.
Right? So if at all anyone is taking coaching, that teacher having lot of experience, right? I have approximately 15 years experience, I know. So comparing other person and me, I know clearly what exactly required for GATE.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes students used to force me, why don't you teach it?
Right, sir.
Sometimes you also forced me. Sometimes some more students also forced me. Sir, why don't you teach this?
Right.
You didn't cover it. I used to say it is not required. Some people used to say to me, can you prove it? Proof is not there in the GATE examination. Why should I prove?
Yes, sir.
Right after class over, I used to solve them.
Okay.
Right. So this is the how it came. This is the how it came. Right. This is the reason for this. Because if I say the proof in the exam, time is wasted.
Right.
Many people will read the proof again. Because one teacher done some mistake, same mistake everyone will follow. Because anyhow in the MTech you will do proofs only. You are studying in IIT, what your professors and what you are doing, proofs only. My professor used to do every time proof only.
Right, sir.
Right? Because IIT professors never give anything without proof.
Even in Gautam's, there are only proofs.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I felt so happy with the algorithm. I went to IIT Bombay. Arey, my teacher is doing everything is proof only. Let us assume that there is a one monoid, right? Let us assume that there is a some group, semi group. So in algorithm, discrete mathematics, somehow they will come.
Right, sir.
So those people who are thinking that, sir, can I go for proofs and all? Right? GATE exam is not meant for that. You
Right.
get the clear clarity. If you want, you can read, but you no need to take care that much about the proof. If you
Right.
convince, oh, this is correct, then go ahead. Doubt is there, you can refer, however.
Yes, sir.
Final suggestion is, if possible, go to coaching, if possible. If
Yes,
not possible, maybe in the YouTube, maybe some more videos are there, you can see, but you will find out so many problems with that. It
Yes.
will waste a lot of time.
Right.
Because in the YouTube, who will teach freely, Abhi? Definitely they will promote something.
Right, sir.
Right. And one more thing, the subject which can be done in 50 hours, they will make 150 hours.
Right, sir.
Because if subject is over, if I say you don't come to my channel,
Right, sir.
so 50 hours subject, I will make 150 hours. Because some masala I have to add in the YouTube classes.
Yes.
Some stories I have to say. Otherwise, normal people will not come to, right? If I teaching content seriously, no one will listen.
Right.
Because they didn't paid, na? They didn't get seriousness.
Yes.
Right? So no one will listen. When I am playing some jokes, everyone will come.
Right.
Right? So my suggestion to everyone is you can follow YouTube videos, right? But it will waste a lot of time. Right? So if possible, please join. Abhi, one more question I want to ask, Abhi. How you manage the GATE preparation and college?
Yes, sir. GATE syllabus is very much overlapping with the college syllabus as well. So if you plan properly that what are the subjects that are going to come in your semester exams, and if you complete those subjects first, then of course, if you study GATE level, then of course you will be able to handle the semester exams very easily. So there might be one or two topics that are not in the GATE syllabus but are in the semester exam. So you can study that in 1 day or so. But if you plan properly, then of course you will be able to handle it.
So if they plan properly, right, so they can handle both.
Right, right, sir.
Sometimes semester exams will come, Abhi. So how will you handle?
So during that time, you can decrease the number of hours a little. But let's say if you were preparing for 7, 8 hours per day, now you can do 3, 4 hours. But don't stop the gate preparation entirely, because if you stop once, then it's very difficult to start again.
The correct time to start gate preparation? Second year or third year or fourth year or which year you feel?
So I would recommend that you also, if you are interested in higher studies, so you should write the third year gate exam as well. So start preparing the second year itself, because most of the computer science core subject will also come in the second semester, in the third semester or fourth semester. So you can handle both the college exams and you can also prepare for the gate exam simultaneously. And if you get a very nice rank in the third year itself, so you will of course be stress free and all.
Stress free also, and they can upgrade. They can
Right.
upgrade by learning some different languages.
And also they will be ready for the placement session that is going to come in the fourth year.
Yeah, placements preparation also become very easy because the person who cracked the gate exam, they have a lot of confidence level increased.
Right.
They have a lot of knowledge also,
Yes.
and tension free also. They will be very happy. They will enjoy the last few months of their college days so happily.
Yes.
Because normally in the final year people now be there is a lot of stress
Yes.
because placement not done. They don't know what they have to do. People will say do X, people will say do Y, and so on. If you plan properly, right? Anyhow, stress will be there, Abhi.
Yes.
Whenever you are studying, whenever you are doing the BTech, anyhow, stress will be there, whether I will get the job or not. Instead of dragging that stress until last minute, if you start planning from second year, either second year or third year, it will be resolved.
Yes. Yes.
If not resolved, at least it will give clarity what exactly you want to do.
Right.
Some people after BTech is over, right? They will decide at that time what they have to do. Then definitely there is a lot of gaps are there in your resume,
Yes.
which may not possible to get the job.
Right, sir.
So my suggestion is plan from second year. At the end of the second year, right? At the end of the second year, right? So you will be perfect with the subjects. You can do practice and all. Third year itself, you can crack. If at all third year missed out, still you have one more beautiful chance.
Right, right.
Because you completed total syllabus. You have to do only practice. In the next year, right? What if at all any dots are missing, you can connect it.
Right, sir.
Right. So I think planning, my suggestion is second year. Worst case, third year.
Right.
Fourth year is very risky.
Right, right.
Because a lot of tension there. College people will say, do project.
Hmm.
College people will say that, right? Do seminar. College people will say that, do internship.
Right, sir.
There are many problems, right? So college people will say that, do this language, do that language, upgrade and all. All your friends are doing right upgrading, right? Means web development course they will go, app development course they will go. They will do different things, but you want to prepare gate exam, it is very tough. So to make things easy through experience of Abhinav and me, I am saying to you, second year is the best one. Third year, right, not best, but okay. Comparing fourth year, third year is better. Second best, third best, fourth year, little risky. If at all anyone is there in the fourth year, you no need to discourage, right? Whatever happened, happened. At least to do from now onwards properly. I got to know if at all you are a gate topper, if at all you are a rank 1, rank 2, I got to know many people will propose you. I got to know. How many people proposed you? Please let me know frankly. How many people proposed you?
So the number was 0.
0.
Yes, sir. Because
Man, 0 proposals. Abhi, how man? 0.
yes,
No, I'm not asking you. You propose it to how many people? I'm not asking. I'm asking how many people proposed you.
So yeah, I mean, because most of the questions are related to gate only, so there was no proposals as such.
Only people will ask you only for gate questions.
I,
How to prepare gate and all. No proposal. Very bad. Abhinav, I want to ask you one more thing. What strategy you followed in the last month of gate preparation? Last month, I think January month.
Right, sir. So in January, mostly I was giving my full length test. So around every 3 days or so, I was giving one full length test. And during the mid time, I was working on what were the mistakes and revising those topics. And apart from this, I was revising my subjects. And I remember I gave my last full length test on around 29th January or so. And after that, I just revised my subject. I did not give any full length test in the last 3 4 days because I wanted to give my full focus on revising the subject. So yeah, so that was what I did in my last month.
So, what is your life ambition, Abhi?
Right, so it is that so during from the second year of my BTech, I was always interested in machine learning, and I would say it is to become a very good machine learning engineer to develop something related to machine learning that helps a lot of people. That is one of my ambitions.
Okay, okay, fine. Which is your favorite software company?
So there is no one company. So I would say currently it is OpenAI because of the
Currently,
OpenAI.
okay. That is your dream. You want to
Yes,
go to inside that company.
right. So if I could develop something as big as ChatGPT, so that will be very motivating for me.
Okay, fine, perfect. When you are going to marry?
So I also don't know that. Maybe there is a lot of time.
Yeah. So, whom you want to going to marry? AIR-2, AIR-3, or AIR-1?
No, I don't have any such.
Something like that. AIR-1. So, means you don't want any ranker?
No, sir. I mean, I'm not sure if she would be an engineer or not. I don't know about it.
Okay, okay, fine. Abhi, do you felt at any time in the total 1 year preparation, you may not get gate rank? You felt at any time?
Yes, sir. So I remember one instance. So I gave a discrete mathematics test, and I studied it very well during the classes. I was able to answer and all. But when I gave the test, I was able to get around 2 questions out of 10 questions. And I was thinking, will I be able to handle such pressure during the gate exam or not? So I also remember that for 1 or 2 days, I did not even prepare for the gate exam because of these thoughts. And yeah, I mean, I gathered my strengths again and started preparing again. And in the next test itself, I was able to score the marks. So if you are not able to get marks in your test series and all, don't get demotivated. Just try to focus where are you lacking.
I still remember you asked me also, sir, I am getting in test series less marks, sir. What should I do?
Yes, sir.
Right? I maybe said to you, practice more.
Right, sir.
More than that, what we can do?
Yes.
Right? Find out your weak areas and improve.
Mm.
If at all, even though in the test series you got 60 marks out of 60, what is the use?
Yes, sir.
60 out of 60, you are getting only 20 marks. There is a big scope of improving.
Yes,
Right? So if you felt you done many mistakes, please improve them.
yes.
Right? That will give the better chances in the final exam. In the total test series, right? Whatever test series you written, what is the best rank you got in the test series? What is the worst rank you got in the test series?
Yes, sir. So the best rank was in my last test series exam. So it was a rank 2. It was rank 2. And the worst rank, I would say it was around 300 something.
Worst rank is 300.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Around 300 something.
fine. Nice. Worst rank is 300. 300. Best rank is 2.
Yes, sir.
But you got the better than that. Best.
So the case exam, yes, sir.
You got the best of best case.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. How many hours you given per day?
Yes, sir. So I used to attend live lectures only. So it was around 6 to 7 hours of live lectures and 2 to 3 hours of practicing and making notes. So it was around 9 to 10 hours every day.
Yeah. Can you say this is possible or not possible? 2 hours per day preparation. Can I crack GATE exam?
So if you are giving only 2 hours, so uh, you can crack the GATE exam, but you might not get a very good rank. So because there are a lot of concepts you have to cover and you have to make notes, you have to practice, you have to do test series. There are a lot of things to cover. So if you are giving 2 hours every day, and you might miss 1 or 2 days here and there every month. So that is also one of the case. So at least 3 to 4 hours is required. So even if you are doing a job, try to wake up early in the morning. Try to give 3 4 hours, and if you give 3 4 hours, that is, uh, I guess, enough to get a good rank.
You aim for which rank?
And so I remember when I started my GATE preparation. So I knew one of my seniors of the same college from my BTech college got an AIR-1. So that was very inspiring for me. And of course, in the beginning, I was thinking like I will also get this AIR-1. But when I started preparing, so it was like no problem, I can get top 10. Then after some time, it was like no problem, I can get top 50. Yeah, but at the end, I was sure that I will get top 100. Uh, but after the rank predictors and all, I was sure that I am getting in top 10.